Your phone number is the single most leaked piece of data you own, and you just handed it to Telegram. Telegram says it needs your number to fight bots. Fine, but that same number is now linked to your bank, your taxi app, your dating profile. One breach and someone is reading all of it. There's a clean workaround almost nobody uses correctly. You don't register Telegram with your SIM. You register it with a virtual number from another country, one you'll throw away in 20 minutes. Telegram gets its SMS code, the number expires, and nothing on the account points back to you. This isn't paranoia. The 2024 AT&T leak exposed 73 million phone numbers tied to names and account data. Once your number is in those dumps, SIM swap and account takeover attacks become a matter of time, not luck. If you want to try it, SMS-MAN.com gives you a one-time number from 190+ countries for about 1 cent. Code arrives in under a minute. Use it for Telegram, WhatsApp, Google, anywhere you don't want your real number sitting in a database. Links in the description.